Hi viewers, welcome back to your Odoo ERP tutorials. In this series of videos, I'm going to start work on accounting module of ERP Odoo. So before I go in further detail, I would like to give a recap from my previous video uh, in which we have, I told you that how to access the uh, demo database of Odoo. If you are someone and you don't know how to access the demo database of Odoo, let me I give a recap here. Come to the Google browser, any browser, and go to the Google and search for this runboard.rnd.odoo. When you click on this, it will take you on the page where there is many different version Odoo database are available, like this version 14, version 15 and version 16. And in order to come to the enterprise version of Odoo 16 edition, click on this arrow and it will bring you to this screen. And on this screen, if the system is asking you for password, then you give the admin password, which is all in small letter. So once you get to this screen, then you are on the right place, and from here you can start working with me side by side. Whatever I am telling you in the tutorial, you can get to those material. And this is the accounting module of Odoo ERP. Here you can see the menu, and in the most right menu we can see the configuration, and in the configuration there is accounting setting, chart of account. So in the chart of account, which is really the accounting is the backbone of accounting is chart of account, because in the accountant recording the business financial flow to the chart of account ledgers. So if you configuring the company for your client, they will also provide you a chart of account which you can import from here, from this favorite. And here let me I create some of my own chart of account. Click the create button and give the code. The code is actually the number from which the system recognize that particular chart of account. So it is 100001, and the first account is account receivable. From the type, select receivable, and when you select receivable, Odoo will automatically select that allow reconciliation, which letter this ledger you can reconcile with your customer. This facility, this allow reconciliation means this. So this is the account receivable ledger, and let me create one more ledger is for account payable. So in the account payable ledger, give a number is 100020001, and it is account payable, and by default Odoo selected the allow reconciliation. So let me create one more ledger for our sales revenue. So the revenue, you can say in the revenue ledger you will give again press the create button and give the number 300001 and write revenue, and type you can select income, and no need for the allow reconciliation button. And another ledger for 00001 is purchases, and purchases type is expense, no reconciliation needed. And we are going to create another ledger, and this ledger is a cash in hand ledger. In the cash in hand ledger, we select is what type is given, bank and cash type is given. The automatic type available with Odoo is bank and cash, and the other ledger is bank ledger, is cash in bank, and the type is also bank and cash. So by creating these ledgers, these are actually the most common ledger which we need, and as we go in our accounting system, then we recognize for more other ledger that we need to create in this chart of account. So simple, But most of the time when we configure the Odoo ERP for our client, they most of the time provide a ready-made chart of account which we import. For example, this is, you can see in my Excel sheet, in my Excel worksheet, that I have a chart of account with column heading code, name, reconcile, and here there was an extra column which I have been deleted, and you can see that reconcile and then account type. And these are the different account types including the fixed assets. So once these compulsory column you have available in your Excel, then you go to this your favorite tab, and from here you select import. And when you select import, upload a file. When you upload a file here, the Odoo ERP will give you this screen, and it shows the column of the Excel worksheet. And these columns, suppose if the one by mistake deleted from you, or you don't need it, you can delete it. And the same way, this the X sign, if you click this, the column will deselect. But then if you by mistake delete it, you can find it. There is a column list available. And the same way is the type. If you do it like this without testing it, it will give you this error. To avoid this error, first test your import, and once you test it, then click this import button, and with the click of this import button you can see that these 80 chart of account ledger have been ready-made imported to the Odoo ERP accounting module. And when you import this, and then you little bit correct into your database, and once you have done with this, then your accounting chart of account is ready. I hope you understand this. I am explaining it a little bit in a slow mode, in a slow tune, in order to whatever I do, that you understand it. So guys, I hope that you have learned and the video is useful for you. And if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed my this channel yet, you are encouraged to subscribe my channel, to click the like button, to click the bell button, that you may receive the future video timely. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.